Everyone, Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. For a minute, I just forgot what I was doing. It'll be okay. I'll be okay. This is my, seventh video that I filmed today. I am on, a roll today. I'm trying to get at least 8 videos filmed and scheduled and posted. I'm going on the Stampin' Up! Incentive trip. We're leaving Sunday, so we'll be gone for a long week. And I have to put a disclaimer every time I mention that, that fewer than 1% of demonstrators earn this achievement. So it's a hard achievement to get, and I'm very excited to go. We're going to Alaska. I'm taking my second daughter. She went on the Greece incentive trip with me. And so it's her turn to come back around. Actually, she's skipping ahead of Samantha 1 year because Samantha just went to Alaska. So Katie's going with me. And so I'm on a roll today to try to get these. I'm almost done with filming, and then I have to sit down and edit and post. So fingers crossed, wish me luck. But we're moving right along, and I just keep forgetting what I'm doing. So it'll be okay. So today I wanted to share another super quick, simple card using the Velvet Meadow suite. I love this one. We're going to do a card with some of the pinks today. And this is one of the patterns in the designer paper. And it's one where, and I've used it all, so I can't show you the full pack, but it's a 12 by 12 sheet, and there's flowers all along the bottom edge, and then you flip it 180 degrees, and there's the same pattern on the other side, which I love those because it gives you the opportunity to make 6 cards quick and easy, just using that as your focal point. So I love when we get papers like that. So I'm going to flip you down, and we're going to get started with our super quick and easy card. Okay, so we have our bundle. Now the only thing I'm going to use is a sentiment on my stamp set. I don't need any dies. We're going to go very simple today. And because sometimes we just need a quick, simple card. So I folded a piece of basic beige that I've cut in half, and I've cut it 4 1/4 by 11. We have a panel of Berry Burst, and then we have our beautiful piece of designer paper. So first thing I'm going to do is adhere this down. Look at that pretty little pattern on the back. It looks like cloud cover. And it's just like a little woven pattern. Okay, and you can feel on here the white. There's some little white flowers. I don't know if you can see the velvet. They're right here. They're little clumps where you see these long skinny stems, the little white flowers. I love this one. It's so tactile, and I just want to run my hands over here to see all the different fun velvet pieces. All right, we have this Berry Burst 1/4 inch ribbon. This is an online exclusive, I believe, and this is the first time that I bought this. I don't know why, because I love this color. And I'm hoping we get some pretty Christmas things that we can use this ribbon for. We don't have a lot of ribbon in the in the mini catalog, so we do have some online, which I am trying to take advantage of. Okay, so I'm just going to trim that. So we've got just kind of a nice little ribbon. I'm going to push that up a little bit higher. And then I've cut an 1/8, or not an 1/8. I don't think I could stamp on an 1/8 of an inch. This is 3/8 of an inch. I mean, it's narrow. I'm going to set it there so I can see a little better. I'm using Berry Burst ink, and I have my big pad in another kit or another project. So I'm just going to, you know what? I don't want to take a chance. I'm going to put it on the table. I'm going to stamp on this. It's a narrow kind of type font. I love my paper pumpkin spots. So I'm going to just do that at an angle and then maybe do that straight. And we're going to adhere this down. I'm going to put a little glue on that ribbon too, just to keep it in place. And I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. Really, one ink, one ribbon, one embellishment, one paper. It's very easy. I'm looking for here's my flowers. So we used the white flowers last time, so we're using these berry burst flowers this time. Let's pop up our sentiment. I'm going to just tuck that right under the knot, and then we'll get a small and a large flower. These are so cute. I don't know where to put it. I want to put it right here. That's where I'm going to put it. That's where my brain says to put it. Okay, so that's it. I mean, you could make a whole set of 6 of these as a gift for someone or just to have in your stash. We have lots of sentiments that would work. We've got just because, cheering you on, you always make me smile. And you could even kind of just do so many reasons to ... and then celebrate on the inside if you want. So lots of different options for your sentiment, but just such a sweet and simple card to make a kit for. It'd be a great Christmas gift. If you start making kits now, you could have a ton of gifts for Christmas. So just putting it out there, time to get started, start thinking about it. Okay, well, if you place an order of $50 or more in my online store, I'll send a kit of that month's card class projects for free. And make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos and bloopers, mistakes, you know, it happens. So, yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.